Hello, in this tutorial video, I will show you how to make Brave browser faster. If you're ready, as the first step, open the Brave browser and click on the three lines in the upper right corner. Then open the settings page. Next, click the Privacy and Security tab. And click Delete Browsing Data. Next, check all three boxes and choose a time range. Selecting all time might give better results, but remember that you will be logged out of the websites you are currently logged into. Then click Delete Data. The next step is to open the System tab from the menu on the left. First, you need to disable Continue Running Background Apps when Brave is closed. Then enable Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Finally, scroll down and enable the Memory Saver feature. Then scroll up again and click the Relaunch button. As a final step, open the Extensions tab from the menu on the left. Then click Manage Extensions. On this page, if you have an extension you're not using, you can remove it by clicking the Remove button located directly below the extension. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to make your Brave browser faster is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video.